5 ways to leverage money. Key strategies everyone should know to build wealth. Hello everyone. Today, we're talking about 5 essential ways to leverage money, a strategy that has helped successful people across the world build their wealth. For the wealthy, making money isn't just about working harder, it's about thinking smarter. They know how to tap into the resources around them to achieve their goals more quickly and effectively. This approach, called leveraging, is a key factor in their success. Think of it like borrowing someone else's tools to build your dream home or collaborating with experts to fast-track your progress. In this video, we'll explore how you can apply these principles to your life. But before we dive in, remember one crucial thing. To leverage successfully, you need the knowledge and ability to manage what you borrow. That starts with developing yourself as a valuable resource. The first step is investing in yourself, learning, training, and strengthening your skills. Seek out external resources like books, videos, mentors, or advice from successful individuals to accelerate your growth. After watching this video, you'll understand how to use these tools to free yourself from excessive labor and transform your life. If you're ready, drop a comment saying I'm ready, and let's dive into the first principle. Number 1. Leverage yourself. You've probably heard the sayings, a penny saved is a penny earned, or slow and steady wins the race. These phrases reflect the importance of consistent effort over time, a key lesson in building wealth. This is what leveraging yourself is all about, starting small and growing steadily. For example, let's say you save just $5 a day. It may not seem like much, but over the course of a year, you'll have $1,825. Similarly, success in life and work isn't just about money. It's also about investing in knowledge, skills, and relationships, assets that compound over time. Take Bill Gates, who spent years studying technology before founding Microsoft, or Steve Jobs, who combined his expertise in technology with his passion for art and design to create iconic products. They didn't start at the top, they invested in themselves and grew over time. You can do the same. Read books, learn a new skill, or connect with successful people regularly. Small daily efforts add up to significant achievements. In business, preparation is everything. Learn about your market, practice leadership skills, and cultivate relationships before jumping into a new venture. When the right opportunity arises, you'll be prepared to act with confidence and succeed. Remember, leveraging yourself requires patience and a long-term vision. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll achieve things you once thought were impossible. Number 2. Leverage financial resources. In America, we know how important financial stability is for success, but not everyone has access to abundant cash flow. That's where financial leverage, borrowing money, comes in. It's a smart way to accelerate growth and achieve your goals. Borrowing doesn't mean you're dependent, it's about using someone else's money to make your plans a reality. For example, imagine you want to start a coffee shop but only have enough capital for a small stand. By taking out a business loan or partnering with investors, you could open a full cafe or even multiple locations. Credit cards, personal loans, and business financing are widely used tools because they give people access to capital. However, financial leverage can be a double-edged sword. Without proper planning, it can lead to debt. To use it effectively, you need to understand cash flow, interest rates, and market conditions. Let's say you borrow money to invest in real estate. It's essential to assess both the potential profit and the risks. Many people jump into investments without proper preparation and find themselves in trouble when the market turns. The key isn't avoiding loans, it's knowing when and how to use them wisely. Number 3. Leverage technology and the internet. As Bill Gates famously said, If your business is not on the internet, then your business will be out of business. In today's digital-first world, leveraging technology isn't optional, it's a requirement for success. Technology increases efficiency, reduces costs, and drives profits. Take customer relationship management, CRM, systems, for example. Small businesses using CRMs often see a 29% boost in sales by improving customer interactions and retention. Additionally, automation tools allow businesses to reach thousands of customers daily without a large staff, ensuring 24/7 operations. Think of e-commerce platforms like Amazon or Shopify. These companies have automated almost every aspect of their operations, allowing them to dominate their markets. Even individuals can benefit. Farmers live streaming their products on TikTok, or small business owners running Facebook ads have turned simple tools into powerful revenue streams. The takeaway? Embrace technology. Whether you're running a small business or building your personal brand, the internet is your gateway to opportunity. Number 4. Stand on the shoulders of giants. If you're short on resources, don't reinvent the wheel, stand on the shoulders of giants. Leverage the systems, tools, and expertise of those who have already succeeded to save time and money. For example, if you want to start selling products online but can't afford to build your own website, use platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay. These platforms provide everything you need, from inventory management to delivery logistics, allowing you to focus on marketing and growing your brand. Video platforms like YouTube and TikTok also offer immense potential. A single viral video can bring in millions of views, build your audience, and generate significant income. But remember, to succeed on these platforms, your content must be valuable, it should solve problems or provide real benefits to your audience. Leveraging the infrastructure and reputation of successful companies and platforms can fast-track your success without requiring massive upfront investment. Number 5. Leverage relationships. Your relationships, family, friends, colleagues, mentors, are some of your most valuable resources. Don't hesitate to ask for advice or support when needed. People who have already succeeded often want to share their experiences to help others avoid the mistakes they've made. Networking and learning from others can significantly shorten your journey to success. A person working alone might take 10 years to reach their goals, while someone leveraging their network might achieve the same in 5 years or less. The key is to build genuine connections and develop strong communication skills. Remember, leveraging relationships isn't about taking advantage of others, it's about mutual growth. Collaborate, share, and grow together. Act now. Let's recap the 5 key principles of leveraging. 1. Leverage yourself by building skills and knowledge. 2. Leverage financial resources wisely to grow faster. 3. Leverage technology to optimize efficiency. 4. Stand on the shoulders of giants by using existing systems. 5. Leverage relationships to access greater opportunities. The most important takeaway? Act now. Success isn't about learning theory, it's about applying it. Evaluate the resources available to you and start leveraging them today. Whether it's reaching out to a mentor, using technology to automate tasks, or taking a calculated financial risk, every step brings you closer to your goals. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more actionable content. Remember, leveraging isn't just a strategy, it's the mindset that separates those who succeed from those who stand still. Let's start your journey today.